Here we are. We've now
set
set some rocks on the waterfall thing. Also filled it. I don't know if I filmed it since then. But I need to get lots more rocks. I cannot believe how many rocks this took just to do this little hill here. We got our 2 Skippy filters up here. And Matt's filling them up. I don't have the filtration stuff yet. It's coming on Wednesday, I hope. So we'll see. And I don't have the pump or any of that kind of fun stuff. Alright, so here we are at the back of the Skippies. What I've done is I've started running my 3-inch pipe up here, and then I connected them with the T, so that the 3-inch pipe elbows up to a T to a 2-inch, and it's reduced out to go into the side of the Skippies there. And I put shut-off valves on both those Skippies. Matt's filling this up right now, so we'll see how it's slowly filling up. I want to see what it looks like through these things. Nice, ugly irrigation water. Alright, so here we are. About to turn on the pond. We got our Skippy filters filled. I've used that foam stuff. I'm not cutting it this time. This is my second time. I want to see where the water's going because it drained it when I turned it on before. But here are the Skippy filters filled up. Got these clamps here to hold on the plastic grate while it's getting glued. Hopefully the water doesn't affect that too much. But there we go. Finally also got 2 tanks over here for sediment filters, and I may turn one of them into a biofilter if the 2 tanks I have don't. Those 2 Skippy tanks, nice dirty water, huh? It's all being gravity fed. There's my pump. Pump's down there. And we have a 3-inch pipe coming out. I've read that we should have a bigger pipe coming out, and a 3-inch going down to a 2-inch fitting. And then down there is where the bottom drain is, which feeds to these 2 tanks. I did flex fittings on there so that one, they could be moved and I can pull them out if I need to easily. So there we go. And that just goes up there. Up to those. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see, we got the water on. I got a leak over here. Hate leaks. I don't know how long it'll take to get through these Skippy filters. Probably have that one too full. The 6,000 gallon per hour pump that's down there with all my incline and everything, I think I'm down to 2. It's not very exciting right now, is it? Nothing's even moving. Well, there it comes. I turn it off and it starts coming down. See how that flows. I'm gonna add a third one that doesn't go through the Skippy, which is the middle there. It's coming down much better this time than it was last time. Let's see how long this flows. You can see here. It's just flowing up and over there. I'll get that foam in there. In here with this. Coming right over. There you go, that's pretty. And just shoot it from the other side and see what it looks like. I'll have to do it with sunset going.
We're just leaving it like